So the way I check to see if a hard drive or SSD, a 2.5-inch SSD is bad, is by using something called a hard drive dock. This one is a SABRENT hard drive dock. So right now it's not connected to the power supply or the USB 3.0 port, but it comes with a USB 3.0 cable, a power supply, a 12-volt power adapter. So you just connect it to your hard drive just like this. Just push it in, and then you just turn it on and use a program called Crystal Disk Mark. You could download it on the internet for free, and you could see if the hard drive is good or bad by using a hard drive dock like this. It could be any hard drive dock as long as you can connect it to your computer. That's how I check to see if hard drives, if the hard drive is good or bad. And if it's bad or has a caution on it, I would just I just get rid of it basically, because the hard drive is simply no good, or the SSD. I'll show you that next.